Welcome back. Email Sendex can do more than email, and the CRM add-on is how. In this video, we'll add it to your workspace. On the billing page, scroll down to the Add-Ons section. Add-ons are extra features you can switch on whenever you need them. Here's the CRM add-on. A CRM helps you manage the people and deals behind your emails, turning your contacts into real sales relationships. The card lists what it unlocks: accounts and deals, custom sales pipelines, activity tracking, and automation triggers, so your CRM and your email work together. It's $19 per workspace each month, and it comes with a 14-day free trial, so you can explore the whole thing before you pay a cent. To begin, click Start Free Trial. If your workspace has already used the trial, you'll see a subscribe button instead. That adds it straight away. Email Sendex confirms the add-on is active. Your 14-day trial starts now, and you won't be charged until it ends. And here's the best part. The CRM now appears right in your workspace sidebar. Click it anytime to open accounts, deals, and your pipelines. To change things later, come back to the add-on section. Once the CRM is active, the button becomes Manage. That's where you'd update or cancel the add-on. That's how to add the CRM and manage it from billing. You've now finished the plans and billing series. Next up, we'll set up your profile and account.